Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to remove background noise in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into the video. At first, select your audio clip and go to the effect panel. Search for Denoise. Now drag and drop it to the audio clip. Then head over to the effect control panel. Here you will find the Denoise effect. Click edit. So here if you move it to the right, it will remove all of this noise. Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. And if you move it to the left, it won't remove any noise. Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, so it's that easy. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.